paper is aimed at examining the thermal and radiative analysis of ternary hybrid nanofluid dynamics accompanied by significance of viscous dissipation and magnetic field. The physical model was based on the mixture of silicon dioxide, copper and titanium dioxide ternary hybrid nanoparticles which are suspended in water past a stretchable sheet. The dynamics of fluid past a stretchable sheet is a notable analysis for thermal and momentum boundary layers. It finds applications in various technological fields and in industries. A system of partial differential equations was employed to explore the model equations. These partial differential equations were changed into total differential equations by implementing acceptable transformation. The Runge-Kutta method along with the shooting technique was applied to solve the system of equations. The analysis described in this paper explained that ternary hybrid nanoparticles have high performance of radiative and thermal processes when compared with hybrid nanofluid. An ascending value of magnetic parameter was noticed to drawback the motion of the fluid due to the creation of Lorentz force. A comparison was conducted with previous work and was in close agreement.